a little bit about your brand and where you're from, please?
Yes, thank you. Nice to meet you. We are Abstract Flavor. We are from Hamburg, Germany, and we do a basil lemonade. Basil with matcha tea, lemon juice, elderflower, and a little bit of pepper. So it's a very, very natural, very planty drink, as you can see. Please taste it.
It's a lovely colour.
Yes, yes. It's very on time, very modern product.
Oh yeah, that's delicious. Very fresh, very refreshing. I could
Yes, yes.
imagine drinking it in the summer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely.
You can drink. You can mix it very well, also if you like, with gin, with vodka, with other spirits. So maybe I make a drink for you if you like.
I'd love to. Thank you. Sounds like a very versatile product.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yes. What are you going to make me?
Gin basil, maybe.
I think that sounds fantastic. Thank you.
So we go for it.
So what do you put in first? Some ice?
Some ice, yeah.
Lovely.
Then we got here our gin.
Gin, lovely.
A little splash of lime.
Okay, that makes it really zesty and sharp. Gorgeous. I can smell that already.
And then our basil lemonade.
Basil lemonade. Lovely. Looks almost healthy, dare I say.
Yeah. Yeah, it's much more healthier than many other lemonades, you know.
Yeah.
Than Red Bull or Coca-Cola, please.
Fantastic.
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers.
You're welcome. You got a lot of chlorophyll inside, and chlorophyll is the most strongest antioxidant, so it's a very, very good detox drink. But we don't want to sell it as a detox or as a healthy drink. So we first of all wanted to have a good taste, a really nice taste, and a product which made a lot of fun.
Yes.
So
it's very versatile and absolutely delicious.
yes.
Thank you.
We're already selling to Switzerland, to the Netherlands, to Greece, and to Spain.
Fantastic.
And the people love it everywhere because it's very natural in taste. So we got 3 different extracts inside, the matcha tea and the real squeezed lemon juice.
Oh,
so the base is absolutely natural.
And what are your hopes for the future for your product?
The hopes for, we are here to go for the UK market. The UK market is very big and very influential.
Yes, absolutely.
You got a very old tradition with gin and with tonic and with creating beautiful and creative drinks. But we are developing two new flavors. So we got a very, very nice abstract lemon and a third new product, which is one of its kind in the world, the first of its kind lemonade. So that's because they are secret, and it would be very amazing.
It's a secret.
Yeah.
You can't tell us what's in it.
No.
Wow, that's very intriguing.